farmers that are out there.
Gie kinde no Jood bura par mag Azimio bende limo jogo mano hinyore ng'anyo mapod yudo thieth ka thieth ma Ramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral e boma ma Kisumo. Bang'e jotelo go eko biro bago lamo ne joma nowito ngimagi kod joma nohinyore ng'anyo mag Azimio manotimore e kaunti no. Lamo ma kamano dhi mbele gi alwora ni. Wawinjane kaka jotelo go eko loso.
They saw that it was carrying small arms and funny uniforms. Instead of opening so that we would know the source and the destination, the GSU came in 10 lorries at midnight and forcefully took it away. We do not know where it went to. In view of the atrocities in Kisumu, we want answers. Where did these guns go? On whom have they been used? I want to say this. Yesterday, the Honorable Atandi told them that this is a case of genocide. And I thank you, Atandi, for refusing to withdraw those remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, what is genocide? Genocide is defined as the deliberate killing of a large number of people from a particular nation or ethnic group with the aim of destroying that nation or group. Nation or ethnic group. If you look at the atrocities that have happened, right from Busia all the way to Kisi, Migori, Siaya, with the epicenter in Kisumu, I want to ask you, genocide or not genocide? Genocide or not genocide? It is particularly shameful that as that goes on, one of our own in the name of Raymond Omolo takes a plane from Nairobi and lands in Kisumu, does not come to Russia to see the 15 bodies lying in the morgue, to see the 26 people badly injured. Some of them, the bullets are still lodged in delicate places that cannot be operated. Passes through Bondo, where the body of David Agan and David Owino, David Agan from Ghana and David Owino from Rarieda is lying. Goes all the way to Nyamira to go and mourn a house. He mourns a house and calls the press to cover. Shame. 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 Thank you.
Hinyruok